Welcome to Comparative VPN YouTube channel. In this video we're going to give you an answer to the question, is Opera VPN safe to use? Opera VPN is a popular free VPN that comes integrated into Opera browser, by many used as a perfect alternative to its superior counterparts such as Chrome and Firefox. Before we address the question, is Opera VPN safe to use, we need to tell you that this is not a real VPN, but rather a proxy service available within the Opera browser's application. This means that it doesn't work like a typical VPN, so it's not as powerful as some of the most popular, especially premium VPN providers on the market. Although you can already guess the answer to the question, is Opera VPN safe, let's proceed with the video and talk more about it. For the start, we'll go over its security features, and there aren't many of them, sadly. Opera VPN doesn't have military-grade encryption, kill switch, IP or DNS leak protection because it protects your traffic only inside the Opera browser, so right off the bat, it's not secure for traffic outside the browser. When using Opera browser to browse the web, you'll come across one security feature, WebRTC, or better said, the ability to disable WebRTC, which is very important. Without going too much into details, browsers like Chrome, Opera and Firefox are prone to WebRTC leaks, which can expose your real IP address even when using a VPN, so it's great that we have the option to disable it. And that was all about Opera VPN security features. What about its privacy policy? Being a free VPN, Opera VPN doesn't have much going for it in this regard, but let's see what its privacy policy has to say. Right off the bat, we can see that Opera VPN collects data such as your device ID, hardware specs, operating system and so on, but this information is in an anonymized form. What we don't like is this paragraph right here. Personalized ads that lets Opera implement targeted ads depending on your general location and browsing habits. This means that the provider will still know your location and what you visit online so that it can better target you with ads. We must notice this part here, however, where Opera claims not to store information about your browsing history and the originating network address, but only when you use its VPN. But then again, Opera mentions that its services are ad supported, and for targeted ads, this provider must know at least some bits of compromising information about its users, so it's not completely safe and anonymous. Although Opera VPN didn't have any scandals in the past, unlike Hide My Ass for example, it still doesn't have enough firepower to be safe and secure. Its encryption is weak, it doesn't have a kill switch, and definitely doesn't have IP and DNS leak protection. Plus, being a free VPN, it earns its revenue through ads, for which, as we said, the provider needs to store and use some of compromising information about its users. So, is Opera VPN safe and secure to use? No, it's not. But there's a perfect alternative, ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is not a free VPN, it's a premium one, but it takes pride in being the safest VPN on the market. Unlike Opera VPN, it's a real VPN and offers 3000 plus servers, military-grade encryption, verified no logging policy, IP and DNS leak protection, and an automatic kill switch. So far, ExpressVPN proved to be the best choice due to its outstanding performance, accompanied by rock-solid security and 24/7 customer support that is as friendly as it can be. If you care even the slightest about your privacy, security and anonymity online, we strongly suggest ditching Opera VPN and getting ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is not free, but hey, you can get a 49% discount and 3 months free for the annual plan, plus a 30-day money-back guarantee should you want to get a refund in the first 30 days of your purchase for whatever reason. You can get this discount by using the following link, comparative-vpn.fr/evpn, or you can just click on the link in the description below to claim this deal. So, to conclude, the answer to the question, is Opera VPN safe and secure, is negative. And although it's not on the level of Hola VPN when it comes to storing logs and doing real damage to its users, Opera VPN still isn't a VPN we would gladly recommend to our subscribers. ExpressVPN is, however, and this is our recommendation instead. So, that was all for today's video, we hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to our channel and stay with us because many more videos like this are coming very soon. See you in the next video, bye!